Yesterday, Sunday, Tesla Cybertruck emerged from the Gigafactory Texas factory, and the video was captured in a unique video shared by Twitter Tesla blogger Giga. But there is a paradox here. Despite being the inaugural production model, the Cybertruck sports a license plate, leaving us so many questions. One of the questions, whether it can truly be deemed a production vehicle if Tesla intends to retain it for testing purposes. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Twitter Tesla blogger Giga late last night shared a very unique video of the first Tesla Cybertruck exiting Gigafactory Texas. But here is the most interesting aspect of it. Look, it has a license plate. It's hard to see the license plate number, but it has it. Why does it have a manufacturer plate on it? Is that typical to drive around a new production auto? Will Tesla keep this vehicle or sell it? What do you think? Where do you think this Cybertruck is going, and what do you think is the best reasonable price going to be for the Cybertruck? One reliable source told me that Wednesday will be cool, 2 days from now. Thus, I expect this Wednesday Tesla to make a major announcement about Cybertruck's pricing and final production specs. Wait for 2 more days, friends. I will try to answer this question in this report in more detail, but please let me know your versions as well. Why is Wednesday going to be cool? It's because Tesla has posted the YouTube live stream link for its Q2 earnings call happening this Wednesday. So expect a major announcement about Cybertruck this Wednesday from Tesla and Elon Musk. What do you think Tesla's sales price will be announced by Tesla? Cybertruck sales price, of course. So it's got a license plate on it already. Although this Cybertruck is the first one off the Tesla production line at Gigafactory Texas, would it still be considered a production if it's kept by Tesla as a test vehicle, just like Tesla did with Gigafactory Berlin Model Y vehicles? Imagine when you see a whole outbound lot full of these Cybertruck vehicles. It's going to be quite a spectacle seeing so many of these parked in the outbound lot. One of the commenters asked if Tesla will give its Giga Texas Cybertruck team a month off after actually building the first Cybertruck. To this, Giga, who appears to have taken the video himself, says they're pounding away at refining the line, working 12 hours days. I would imagine Tesla's Cybertruck team is working very hard at Gigafactory Texas, preparing the truck for mass production and production ramp afterwards. Here is another thought, guys. Are they just releasing them to go wherever? Would it be cool once full self-driving is fully built out so that the cars deliver themselves to the customers, right? Some people think it that way. But what about people and workers? What will happen to these works if robots and full self-driving take over? So I would like to hear your opinion on that. Yeah, some of you may say that new jobs will open, but that many jobs? I don't know. One Twitter user noted something about the tires and wrote, "Those tires are pretty lame. I hope there is an option to upgrade without wasting a full set of tires." What do you think about that? Do you think the Cybertruck's tires are lame? I think they look okay. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, friends. Now let's talk about the Cybertruck's pricing, as I mentioned above, and when we think Tesla will make an announcement about the Cybertruck's price. It better be soon, because if Tesla is producing the Cybertruck, even if those are test vehicles, Tesla needs to do the necessary background work with the reservation holders to send them the ready-to-go trucks. Thus, as I mentioned a little bit above, one reliable source told me all I have to say regarding Cybertruck information is that Wednesday will be cool after I ask when he thinks Tesla will make an announcement about Cybertruck's pricing. So look forward to this Wednesday and be patient for 2 more days. If Tesla is going to have Q2 earnings call, people are going to ask about Cybertruck and Tesla is going to say something. So we're going to have some more light shed on the pricing of the Cybertruck and its final specs. Tesla has not yet announced the final price of Cybertruck, but there has been a few rumors and reports in the media. So let's talk about that. According to a report from Electric, the Cybertruck could start at around $39,900 for the single-motor rear-wheel drive model, $49,900 for the dual-motor all-wheel drive model, and $69,900 for the tri-motor all-wheel drive models. These prices would be comparable for the Ford F-150 Lightning, which started at $39,974 for the base model. The media has been mostly positive about the Cybertruck, with many outlets praising its unique design and impressive performance specs. However, there have also been some concerns about the Cybertruck's durability and safety, as well as its production delays. But, those may be already outdated. Tesla is still finalizing the Cybertruck's design and specifications, so it is possible that the final price could be different from the rumored prices. So look for Wednesday for Cybertruck's new pricing announcement. If my source is correct, but Tesla has already posted live stream link on YouTube. But I would like to hear your thoughts. What do you think Tesla's pricing will be? If you have some educated guesses, let me know, friends. So I think Cybertruck is the iPhone moment for internal combustion engine pickup trucks. Nokia, BlackBerry, Ericsson were around and doing history and disappearing with it. Apple was doing the future of phone communications. Tesla is doing at least the intermediate future of driving, in my personal opinion. Elon Musk is expecting to sell between 250,000 to 500,000 Cybertruck units per year, depending on the demand. And it feels like demand is pretty good now. Nearly 4 years have passed since the reveal of the Tesla Cybertruck, when the infamous smashed windows incident happens. You remember that? Finally, after 2 years of delay, Tesla has officially rolled out the first production model of the all-electric pickup truck at its factory in Texas. The news was shared by Tesla on its Twitter account with the caption, "First Cybertruck built at Gigafactory, Texas." If you haven't seen that, look at my previous video about that. Aside from that, the EV maker Tesla didn't reveal much information such as final specifications and pricings. We know that Musk promised last year that deliveries would begin in mid-2023. Since Tesla didn't reveal any information about the pricing, the specifications, I think Tesla saved it for this Wednesday's announcement. During the long absence from the spotlight, the all-electric pickup market has seen new contenders, including the Ford F-150 Lightning, the GMC Hammer EV, although the latest is still facing supply woes due to a shortage of crucial components such as microchips amid strong demand. Electric vehicle startup company Rivian has also joined the fray with the R1T. By the way, I saw it yesterday, it looked pretty good. According to the JD Power 2023 US Electric Vehicle Experience Ownership Study, the Rivian R1T has bested the likes of the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y regarding ownership satisfaction in the premium EV segment. All that said, electric vehicle trucks will gain access to Tesla's 12,000 superchargers in the United States and Canada by 2024. The models are expected to adopt Tesla's North American charging standard connector a year later. Another brand jumping on the NACS bandwagon is Volvo, along with its performance brand Polestar, which I also saw a couple of days ago, and it looks really good. However, Elon Musk is optimistic about the Cybertruck, saying the vehicle could sell between 250,000 and 500,000 units per year, depending on the demand. Reports also suggest that the truck has over 1.5 million pre-orders, but those are $100 pre-orders. Some analysts, however, think the model may turn out to be a low-volume seller despite the long pre-order list. I disagree with that. I would like to hear what you think about that. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily breaking Tesla and electric vehicle news. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And as I asked lots of questions about the paradox, please let me know your answers in the comment section below. Talk to you soon in our next report. God bless you. Have a great day.